Okay. Okay. Whoa! Oh, yeah.
It looks like a bus. You're driving.
Whoa. Does the gears work? Uh-oh.
Attention! You killed somebody already. You're accelerating so fast.
Yeah, the gears obviously aren't. Uh-oh. Oh, wait.
You break
I have it right away.
You break it.
What happens if you hit somebody?
I don't know. You
Let's
get
find out.
points probably.
This is pretty cool. I
You're
think I failed
breaking.
my test.
You're braking. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that. You can actually see the... I'll just assume that it's safe.
Yeah, no, the graphic is not that bad, huh?
What happens if I change gears? Whoa.
No, the Smart doesn't do like this.
Whoa.
Okay, you died at least part.
At least
Mamma mia.
Okay, let me try a little bit more normally. This is how we drive in Australia, you see.
Yeah, let's show me.
I think the gears actually do something here.
You are on the bus lane, no? No?
I am extremely dizzy right now.
Yeah, me too. Oh, the market, nice. You are accelerating, huh?
A little bit. There we go. Be good to know my speed, actually. Oh, I think you're gonna need to take over, man.
Yeah.
That's enough driving for me.
Okay.